Logan, my name is Logan. Today I'm going to be talking about the banana leaves and other things that you put around your calves when you do performances. So um, here in Australia, they're really hard to find, and during photo shoots and stuff, when you need banana leaves, so they're really hard to find here. So I went to this Asian store, and they had these banana leaves in the freezer section. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to separate them and tie them around your calves. So, yep. Scissors. Bang. Fresh leaves. So these banana leaves are quite long, which are good. So yeah. Start with this one. So the banana leaves usually have spines, but these ones were removed, so you don't have to do all that. So yeah, you just want to remove some of the leaves from the end, from each end. You can do this step after or before. So these I used to tie around calves, like rope. So all you do is just separate them like this all the way to the end. So yeah, let's get started. So you don't really usually. Some people don't usually use banana leaves for dances. Some of them use plastic, but I use banana leaves because, well, if you use plastic with fire, well, you're done. You're gonna get burnt. So I use natural leaves so that I don't burn my legs or anything around me. Um, yeah. So some of them use coconut, but like the coconut husk has stuff inside, and they use it to braid and then to make this really cool long thing. It's pretty cool. Um, yeah, but I don't use those either because those are dry and they can burn easy, like plastic. But if you ever do like performances, always make sure you get banana leaves because never plastic. Like if you had a choice between plastic and the coconut one, use the coconut one and just soak it in water. You'll be alright. But you might slip, so banana leaves are the best option. Oh, this is a long process. But yeah, some people like to use more than one half of a banana leaf. So, because this is one half of banana leaf, like if you add this, this would be like a whole leaf. So, they like to. Some people like adding 2 layers of banana leaves around the calves. But you can use one or two. once you got it all separated like this, what you're gonna do is get your leg. Um, so when you tie it around, you want to make sure that this is always like above, so that you can tie it at the end. So you want to make sure the ends are always seeable. Yeah. You can always rip a little bit of the leaves off to make it so that you can tie around. And then once you finish tying, you got one and you're basically ready. So yeah, not only can you use it for your calves, but you can like use it for a necklace as well. So that's pretty cool. So once you get that all around, so like if you don't have a Ula Laufa'i lying around when you do like a Siva Afi dance or something, you could always like, if you have extra leaves left over, like you can use it as a necklace. So once you do that, same process, but like, yeah, you put it around, you tie it behind your neck, and that's an easy necklace that you can use. But yeah, after you finish using it, you can store them in the freezer to reuse in the next dance or activity that you do. So yeah, um, that's that's it. Thank you for watching. So far, Manguiro Aso. Stay safe.